What's going on, guys? So today we decided to try out the Alicia Keys braids on ourselves. Our hair's been looking a mess for a while and not had our hair done in ages, so we just decided to try this style that we saw on Instagram. So this is our first attempt to do the Alicia Keys braids. We've never done a style like this before. We're just using some old braids that we had in the house. So we are based in the UK, and it's quite hard to find a salon or a hairstylist that you can trust. And even if you do find one, they tend to be really expensive. Like, we're talking about over £100. So instead of paying £100 to a random salon or a stranger, we just thought, let's try this challenge out. So we normally do braids, like box braids, but we've never done like a carpet style like this before, so this is our first attempt really, and just trying to see how good we are at this. I was quite nervous to try, but here is the process. So just sectioning it out. I think the most hardest part of this whole thing is just sectioning the hair out. Sorry if my voice sounds terrible, like I'm really sick right now, but we opted not to use gel, even though it would give us better results. It's just that it makes your hair really dry, you know, once you take the hairstyle out. So we're not using any gel. We are just using conditioner, you know, just to keep the hair nice textured. All in all, this style took us 3 hours to do, and we were taking breaks in the middle of it, watching TV as well. But yeah, what do you guys think of the results? You can see them here in the video. Just let us know in the comments. If there's any other hairstyles you'd like us to try out as well, just send us a link. I hope this encourages some of you guys to try these styles out on each other, or even on yourself really, but I know it's hard to do, you know, for yourself. But that's it from me. We'll see you guys in the next one.